Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.